Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
What is your name?
My name's Elena Hope.
Where are you from?
I'm from Florida in the US.
How long you stay here in Siargao?
Well, I was supposed to leave 2 weeks ago and I just extended for my third time. I'm going to stay here until I have to leave, which is when my visa expires.
What is the first expectation when you come here in Philippines?
I had no expectations coming to the Philippines. I've been traveling around Southeast Asia since April. So I understand each country has their own differences, pros and cons. And what I really love about here is just the people. The people are so nice. And out of the, I think, 4 countries I've seen so far, this is my favorite.
What you can say about Siargao?
Siargao is so much fun, and I love that there's just people from everywhere, travelers, even the locals. And there's so many things to do because I spent also a month in Boracay, and I think the only thing to do there is like party, maybe some water sports. Here, I love that there's so much to do. You can go to the north, you can come to the bridge, eat good food, dancing in the bar, and there's so many options for nightlife that you never get bored and you never want to leave, like me.
What is your favorite Filipino food?
I would have to say tosilog. I think it's my favorite. I love banana Q too. And this, what is this called? Yeah. Oh, and I love sticky rice.
Enjoying a lot your vacation here.
I love it. I love it so much. I don't want to leave.
If you go home to your country, do you think you will come back here again?
Absolutely. I'm already planning where and when I can do some work over the next few months when I go back to my country. And I'm already planning to come back.
If you rate this country out of 10, what you can give it?
Absolutely a 10.
Hey.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's go party tonight. Evening.
Good evening.
Anong pangalan mo?
I'm Rachel
Taga saan ka?
from Asin City, Southern Leyte.
Ilang weeks ka na nag-stay ng Siargao? Anong masasabi mo about Siargao?
Ang masasabi ko about Siargao is super ganda niya dito. Tapos very friendly yung mga tao din dito. Tapos maraming mga magagandang pasyalan.
How about sa mga nakatira dito, mga tao ng Siargao? Anong masasabi mo sa kanila?
Ang masasabi ko is very sila, yung tawag hindi sila strict, tapos friendly talaga sila, parang inaano kanila, dali inaasikaso kanila kung anong kailangan mo, kung hindi kanila pinababayaan.
Saan ka nag-stay dito sa Siargao?
Siyempre sa Mikasa, Katangnan. Yan.
Anong masasabi mo sa Mikasa?
Mikasa is very friendly accommodation.
How about the price?
Okay lang naman yung price, very affordable sa mga lahat ng gustong magpunta dito. Talagang affordable talaga yung nila, yung price nila dito.
Paano ka itrato ng may-ari sa Mikasa?
Oh my God. For me is talagang alagang-alaga ka, yung hindi guess yung trato, parang pamilya ang trato nila. Yun ang magandang nano ko sa may-ari ng Mikasa.
Marerecommend mo ba ang staycation na to sa mga ibang tourist na pupunta dito sa Siargao?
Yes, mai-recommend ko sa kanila na dito na sila mag-stay kasi napakamura at saka friendly at mababait yung mga may-ari dito.
Nag-enjoy ka ba dito sa bakasyon mo?
Yes, of course. Enjoy na enjoy.
Thank you, ate. Thank you.
Welcome. Thank you, de.